Got the boys getting down. How's it going?
Pretty good. It's super vibrating.
Yep. Okay.
It makes my chest feel weird.
Getting it ready for paint so they look good.
Yeah.
Boom.
Wow. Do I do like around it as well?
Mm-hmm. Remember, just a nice light coat this first round, and then we'll do a wet coat here in a minute.
I like it bottom.
You gotta just reach underneath and not spray it in your face. Like a pro now, huh? Remember, not too close in one spot or it'll drip. We just want a light guide coat this time. Is this your favorite part, Ram?
Yeah. Sanding is the best.
Sanding's the best. We love sanding. Getting there, we'll be ready enough for a guide coat of black paint.
Yeah.
Good enough for who it's for?
Yep.
All black and pretty, so we can hide them behind some, hopefully, a little better looking wheels. Plus a little corrosion resistance too. Get the rest of it cleaned up. Making old things new again. We'll start on the back. Yeah. Putting in work to make it look cool, huh?
Yep. Oh, cool.
Safety first. So we've painted the inside with black. It's all dry. Now we're prepping to paint the outside. We've taped off the stems, and then what we do is we use this foam applicator and tire wet gel so it stays in place, and we make the tire shiny close to the rim without touching it so that we get adhesion of the paint, but any overspray won't stick, and we'll just rinse off when we go ahead and clean them. So a little hack. Rem is just finishing up doing some masking, and we'll be ready to spray. Two coats down. We'll probably do a third coat. But shoot, for some old beat up, really rough, obviously you can see some of them are a little more rusty patinaed than others. 2 or 3 coats really brought these bad boys back to life. They're gonna look good with hubcaps. All right, second coat on. We're gonna do a third coat, final coat probably. These are turning out really good for just some rough steel wheels that weren't even blasted, just were pressure washed and scuffed by my boys with red Scotch-Brite. We're gonna do a little spray cam, see how this goes. Looking good. Now for the rest of them. All right, we were lucky and we were able to get the brake master cylinder out with no problems. All the threads seem to spin out. We didn't spin any flats off, and our hose looks decent for the feed. Cooper?
Yeah.
Tell me what we learned about this bad boy. We compared our new one to our old one, and everything looks pretty good, but we need to transfer a couple of things, right? So we're gonna do that now on the vise. Got his comfortable shoes. These look like comfortable shoes. You're probably working on VW in those shoes, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so a few days earlier, we got started on the brakes with the brake master cylinder. Thought we had the correct brake cylinder. Took it apart on the vise, not the right one, so I'll show you that real quick. This is the brake cylinder we got. That's what it should have looked like, and we got the new one that will match. So this guy did not fit, this guy will fit, and that will be in our next episode. So we'll get back to doing brakes in the next episode. In the meantime, thanks to rockauto.com, we're able to locate a few items for our Volkswagen Bug, mainly a oil filter screen, oil change kit. So you got your crush washers and the seals that go around said filter. We're going to use the original one and clearing it out because typically you can reuse those, but then we'll have spare ones. They had a really good deal on hydraulic cylinders, fully built, bolt-in. Since we've got all the brake lines apart and all the fluid out of it, we might as well freshen up everything. And then some wheel seals. So thanks to Rock Auto. Not that we're getting these for free from Rock Auto, but they had some hard to find VW stuff. So next episode 3, we're gonna get back to these brakes. We finally got the parts for them, and we'll get the boys out here putting the master cylinder on, wheel cylinders, wheel seals, and then thanks to my work, we got all the stuff we need to get this thing fired up for the first time since, we assume, 2018. So first time firing up since 2018. Once we get that all warmed up, we'll do the oil change on it, and hope to see you on episode 3.